The Newcastle Municipality is looking to the courts for mercy. It's challenging an order by the Pietermaritzburg High Court that it must pay 30 million rand a month, this to Eskom. Now, the municipality owes the power utility 200 million rand in total, and Eskom is determined to get its money. But the municipality is pleading poverty. Well, ENC's Pietermaritzburg has been following proceedings in court, and he joins me now for the very latest. Pamandla, let's talk about this issue right now, where I understand the matter has been postponed.
Indeed, it has been postponed to next week, Wednesday, the 9th of December, if I'm not mistaken. The reason is that Eskom came to court today. They had earlier introduced a new affidavit, which they claim that they've got financial statements of the Newcastle Municipality. They are claiming that the municipality is able to generate revenue, but it's not been paying the power utility. So they wanted that admitted in court. But then again, Newcastle Municipality said, no, your facts are wrong. In any event, this affidavit is late. We didn't have a chance to look at it. We need more time to read it and respond to it. So that's why the matter was adjourned, because the Newcastle Municipality wants this court to convert an earlier interim order, which in a way prevented Eskom from cutting electricity supply in Newcastle. They want that October interim order converted into a final order whereby the court will order Eskom not to continue to cut electricity supply in Newcastle, because according to the municipality, there will be severe economic and social consequences.
Now, Spamandla, how does the Newcastle municipality find itself in a 200 million rand debt with Eskom, especially if Eskom is citing that they have been generating revenue?
Indeed, it dates back to 2017 and to a certain extent to 2012. The municipality has been accumulating this debt, and they've made previous payment arrangements. They defaulted on those. Then Eskom in September said, we are issuing a final notice. We want you to honor your more than 200 million debt. You have to pay us. If you don't, I think from September 30 to October 6, they threatened to cut electricity supply. They published what they called at that time a final notice. And then the municipality rushed to court to prevent that. That's when they were granted an interim relief. But this is an old debt. The municipality does concede that indeed we do owe Eskom. We've been unable to settle the debt because in the past they claim that they've had cash flow problems, but now they say they are in a position to pay. That's why in October the court ordered them to pay Eskom monthly 30 million rand, and they say they are willing to continue with that payment arrangement. That's why they came back to court. They want that payment arrangement to be converted into a final order.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Pamandla at the Newcastle, of course, versus Eskom case in KZN, where Eskom is saying they need their 200 million rand back, but they're willing to have it paid back in 30 million rand per month. But of course, we're seeing that the Newcastle municipality pleading poverty. That